Dobrodošli pri nas spet. Eni ste že kar par obrazov se že spomnim. Bodi sprememba, torej dajte na mir, kot smo začeli že kdaj. Letos smo šli v temo Bodi sprememba, ki jo želiš videti v svetu. Jaz pa sem par besed, drugače je tu s Katjo ste mogoče malo bolj komunicirali že, takrat ste bili pri nas, ne vem, koliko jih je pa bilo takrat spomladi pri nas. V smislu, od katerih, kdo je že bil takrat, od procentov. Kdo od vas je bil v naši knjižnici takrat, marca? Ono je že posledil, odlično, no? Nekaj že fantastično. Kar smo lansko leto delali, pa ste čuli za to, si želimo letos iti še mogoče korak naprej. In to pomeni, da bomo skupaj danes razmišljali, Katja bo povedala, kakšen je plan za naprej, kaj bi delali, česa bi se lotili in pa, da torej od samo ideje, da bi morda šli še zelo malo v akcijo. Morda, zakaj sploh delamo, samo ena stvar, jaz verjamem, da v svetu za tehnico, da se prevaga, je ena kapljica dovolj. Ljudje mislijo, da mora biti velika dejanja tista, ki naredijo spremembo, si je pa v bistvu, da gre tehnica, ali gre levo, ali gre desno, če daš eno pero na pravo stran, se začne svet lahko vrteti v drugo smer.
Za tiste, ki še ne poznate, je danes z nami gospa Nina Merhoff, Američanka, pa je predsednica organizacije Children of the Earth. Je bila že z nami prvič tukaj prisotna na delavnici, v glavnem gospa ima ful izkušenj, tako da dajte jo spraševati pa ponucati, ker ima res zakladnico znanja od zadnje. Jaz sem ful vesela, da ste danes tukaj, pa verjamem, da bo nastali res eni dobri projekti. Zdaj tisti, ki ste bili prvič tukaj, že malo veste, zakaj se gre, ne? Gre se za to, da na podlagi 17 trajnostnih ciljev izpeljamo ene konkretne projekte. Vi se boste tukaj odločili, na katero področje vam najbolj leži ali pa se čutite, da vam je najbližje. Pol bomo pa skupaj naredili en načrt. Kdaj bi se to izvedli, kako bi se izvedli, pripomočki, kaj jih rabite, čisto v tem smislu.
We can be. We must be the first generation to end extreme poverty.
The generation
Most determined
to fight injustice and inequalities.
The generation that saves the planet from climate change.
And this is how it will get done. The global goals
a 15-year plan
for everyone, everywhere.
with no one left behind. We will live in a world
Where nobody
anywhere lives in extreme poverty. Where no one
goes hungry.
Where no one wakes in the morning asking if there will be food today.
We will live in a world where no child has died.
Diseases we know how to cure. And where proper health care
Is a lifelong right for us all.
We will live in a world where
Everyone goes to school.
And education gives us the knowledge.
And skills.
Okay, hi. I'm Nina Meyerhart, yes, and I work often with the United Nations and with young people all around the world. So you all speak English? Yes? If I talk too fast, let me know. You know, in Slovenia, you're very fortunate because you don't have many of the problems that the world has, most of the world. But if you go to Africa and you feel for the children and they can't go to school, because in Africa you have to pay to go to school. And maybe a family will have enough money for their oldest boy, but for the girls, there's nothing, you know? So the girls sit all day and they make bracelets and they sit around and they help their mother cook or, you know, collect wood for fire, but no school. And I know you don't think it's a privilege to go to school, but so many countries don't have school, especially for young women. Yeah? So just to think about it, that you don't have as many problems as the world has in general. So then this evolved. They said, okay, if you're going to have peace in the world, what are the different pieces of peace? yes? For peace to happen, you have to have clean water, yeah? Like in many countries, they fight over water. There's wars over water because it's so scarce. You know, they need clean water. How do they get clean water? Yes? It's very difficult. Many countries, no clean water. You can't go and wash your hands. Sometimes you see bugs come out of the water, you know. That's not good. Or if poverty, yes? If you're really, really, really poor, you know, then it's very hard to lead a good life, yes? Because all you're thinking about is how can I live from day to day? And so what we want to do is help create balance in the world. That means that everyone has the right to clean water. Everyone has the right to go to school. Everyone has some kind of way to make a livelihood, yes? Everyone has clean air. And if we address all of these, then we will have a good world for everyone. And that's most important.
Okay. Tukaj je pač študentje univerze na Nizozemskem so v bistvu malo pritisnili na šolo v tem smislu, da so oni njim omogočili menzo, ki je v bistvu pol-vegetarijanska. In mislim, zdaj imajo tam ene zdrave obroke, tudi za ceno so se dogovorili, da so, ne vem, nižje cene, ampak oni vsak dan jejo zdrave obroke.
A group of young people, your age, got their schools to change the menus of everything in their school. They went to the school board, they went to the city council, they went to discuss, listen, you want us to have healthy minds? What about a healthy body, you know? And they really developed menus and the school changed. So young people can do it.
Odgovorna proizvodnja in poraba. Ne vem, če ste zasledili, prejšnji teden, mislim, da je bilo v dnevniku, da v Sloveniji odprta prva zero waste trgovina. Mislim, zelo dobra ideja. Tam, da gremo v Hofer, pa gledamo, da je vsak brokoli posebej zavit, pa je na kumarca posebej zavita, mislim, pač čista škoda, ker bi se dali verjetno to rešiti na veliko bolj elegantni način. Ampak dokler pač ne bomo potrošniki kaj rekli ali pa naredili ali pa se združili, pa pač stvari ostale tako verjetno, kot so.
Yeah. Think how much styrofoam is used when you go and buy food, yeah? The plastic, you know, they put it in those things. You know, you could really go to the stores and begin to change that. Because the styrofoam is really bad for the planet.
Življenje v vodi, če ste zasledili nazadnje, še mesec nazaj, je bilo v dnevniku tudi, ko so merili vsebnost plastičnih delcev na kvadratni meter. Pač pri nas v Sloveniji in je bilo ne vem koliko mili enot na kvadratni meter. Torej tudi pri nas je že morje zelo onesnaženo. S plastiko. Torej ja, upimo, da ostane morje takšno in ne takšno. To bi bil slovenički projekt, ki je bolj narisan. Bi bilo bolj z vegetarijanstvom povezano, v bistvu samo enakost vseh ljudi, živali.
What do you want to work on? Poverty? Any other projects?
Tretjo točko izkazali zdrava prehrana. Razmišljali smo, da bi šli v prvo osnovno šolo, pa čim bolj tretjo pa drugo razredu, glede tudi zdrave prehrane, da ugotovimo, koliko ti otroci v bistvu vedo o ti zdravi prehrani. Pa bi naredili, so v takem smislu bolj v igracah, pa še tudi v športu, pa jim bolj povedali.
Super, hvala.
Ok, dame punce. Ok, mi smo brali prvi cilj, odprava revščine, s tem, da bi se osredotočili na zbiranje potrebščin za begunske otroke. To bi pač izvedli na šoli, pa bi pač prinesli dijaki pač stvari in pa bi prinesli za te zbirne centre za begunce in tam razdelile. Ja.
Ja.
Okay, I'm going to speak in English, but I apologize if I pronounce anything wrong. Okay, so we decided that the name of the project would be L for Love. We are gonna work on trying to spread the love between people, but not only people, but also the animals, the plants, and to, how should I say, to love ourselves, that we don't forget about ourselves. So we're gonna work on self-respect and other people, so we respect other people and animals. On accepting other people the way they are, and on accepting yourself as you are. With the help of yoga, meditation, and other things that we're gonna come up with.
Okay. If you need help, you know you can.
Yeah, and we're also gonna try to, how should I say, present the way of being a vegetarian or vegan. So yeah, that's our project.
Wonderful.
Thank
Good
you.
work.
Thank you.
Mi smo se odločili, da če smo izvarstvene šole, da bomo zbirali medvedje na šoli, pač da bomo v šolskem radiju obvestilo, če bi lahko vsi prinesli pač kako plišarsko igračko, pa bi pa pač, ker smo 4 in bi pač naše sošolce prosto, če bi lahko napisali na listke kakšne lepe misli, pa bi dali zdrav medvedkov, pa bi pa šli na pediatrični oddelek in bi pač tam otrokom naredili.
Na pediatrični? To v Celju ali v Vrbanju?
V Celju.
V Celju. Ja, ful lepo.
Ne?
Hvala. Mi smo pač se odločili, da bi pač naši cilji so bili zmanjševanje neenakosti, ozaveščanje pač o različnih kulturah
in na naši šoli bi naredili nekakšno stojnico in pač tam, da bi se lahko pač učenci pohodili in tam ustavili, pa bi pogledali, ne vem, kakve intervjuje oziroma videe, ki bi jih naredili z našimi učenci, ki so na izmenjavi, pa pač predstavili bi vsako zgodbo od vsake osebe, ki je na izmenjavi.
Pa kar je tisto, kar je pa skupno, kar nas vse povezuje.
Razlike pa pač skupno.
Hvala.
Mi bi pač glede enakopravnosti spolov, bi pa naredili ankete, bi vprašali, kako, ne vem, ženske pridejo domov, kaj morajo delati, kaj morajo delati moški, to razporeditev hišnih opravil, pa ne vem, kako pridejo do službe, kako izgleda intervju za službo za moškega, za žensko, pa v bistvu, da to zajamemo, pol pa, ko dobimo neke rezultate, da bi šli še po mestu, pa bi vprašali ljudi, kako pa misliš, da je to pri nas, kako misliš, da to poteka, in potem bi mi povedali, kako smo mi zbrali naše rezultate in posneli njihove reakcije, pa misli.
Very inspiring what everybody's thinking, isn't it? When you hear other people, what they say, it's very good. Very exciting. So I want to just share, This is service now. What could I do with this food? What should I do with it? Throw it away.
Does anyone have any idea?
Any idea what we could do with these? Come on, you got to be creative.
To give them to homeless people on the street.
Where do I find them though?
Like in the railway station.
Oh, okay. Does somebody want to take these and do that? Take some and give them away?
Yeah, okay.
Or are you going to leave it with me? What?
One.
You take one and give it away? Anybody else want to give one to somebody?
Železniške, avtobusne, ali pa gre nazaj v šolo, pa bi lahko...
You want more? Yay! Okay! There you go. Okay. Who has an idea what to do with this? Here we go. We're going. I got about 10 more. Come on. Oh.
I'll take 2.
2. Here you go.
Welcome.
Okay. How many do you take? 2? More? One more. Okay.
There's a family to feed.
These are me. I got 2, 4, 6, 7 left. Yay! Oh, good. She's going to give them away to somebody. Can you think even an animal would like to eat this, wouldn't they? A little dog would be very happy to get a meat sandwich. I got 5 left. Okay, you think about it.
They have to send
Did you like this workshop? Yes? Okay. So that we're doing something that will serve you, yes? Will help. That's why we're doing it. We want to support you in having a voice to make a difference.
Okay, še ima kdo vprašanje? Okay, Nina, anything else?
No, unless you have a question or you want something, no?
Okay, torej, kdaj je datum za poslati načrt? Kdaj? Okay.
Na mednarodni dan miru, odlično izbran datum.
What?
On the International Day of Peace, they have to send in...
Yeah, and we gave away the sandwiches to give to other people.
Fantastic.
Yeah, to talk about, or I can throw them away. Oh!
Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for coming.
A lahko mi ta besliko.